was talking the other day about seeing this weird advertising on the search bar. It's so annoying, and I don't know why some systems are doing it and some aren't. There's something that's triggering these little pictures down here, which is some kind of weird advertising. It's promoting something. So I'm going to right click right on top of that. Right mouse click. Oh, and I can't see it. Here it is. And we go to search. It's called search highlights. One left click on that, and those little pictures are gone. And there's a little tip from your Uncle Carey.